Hello everyone, we're outside. We've just had a horrible storm and Jasmine has been laying mulch today, but I intend to get her on film eventually, I hope to. Anyway, I'm going to turn this around so you can see what we're working on. And look, after the storm, look at the creek beside us. This is an old bird bath here that I'm going to restore with some cement. And we have just been planting different flowers. I don't know what.
Sorry.
What are you doing?
It's just a little.
Jasmine. Go ahead, I'm gonna video this.
No.
Go on.
No.
I finally got her on film. I thought she was still back there getting more mulch.
I think this is the last one we got.
Okay. Anyway, back to this. We have been installing a little at a time this pond and the flowers around it. I'm having to watch where I'm going here. And so far it's doing well. The storm we just had totally filled it up. And our flowers are starting to take off. I was going to show you up this way. The creek. Isn't that cool? And the sound of it. We try to create environments through our art and through God's art to have a place to relax and to read scripture, devotionals, to paint. We're going to be doing those things here after we get everything finished.
And don't forget to tell them that we're going to be making our own rocks through here.
Yes. This is a wreck back here.
Yeah, it's awful, but this is all going to have stones that we're going to make ourselves with cement.
And I'm sure watching me, see, I have to get on the ground. I have some spinal damage. I'm going to be sitting on the ground creating stones. I'm sure that'll be hilarious. And this tabletop, Jasmine, I have pictures of Jasmine literally taking down this tree by herself. It was funny.
It was
And
in the way.
it turned out to be a perfect platform for a tabletop. And I'm going to stain it to go with the tree. And I'm going to get some of that bark off for mulch. And she may video me staining it. Those are coming up. But at your home, it's a crazy world out there. Create at your home with whatever you have to work with. Whether it's old pieces of driftwood. See the hen and chicks? This was here. We just bought the house recently. We're going to add more hen and chicks in there.
Yeah, look at how cool this is going to be. We're going to fill it full of potting soil.
Yes. God's a great artist, the master artist. And we love taking what he provides for our home. This little bird bath was here. And it had all this dirt already in it with some hen and chicks. And we were just going to add to it and set those carnations on top of it. And I painted the old bucket to look rusted. Actually, it's plastic, y'all. I painted that.
I love it.
Yes.
We're thinking about maybe having some light streaming out.
Yeah, like
maybe.
it's pouring down.
Yeah.
But I'm going to give this to Jasmine. She's going to step over there closer so you can see our creek.
Yeah.
And we are going to be building a cement wall very shortly. And that should be some good Three Stooges video. By the way, God bless y'all. Goodbye.
Yeah, just gotta check this out real quick. Look at that. reminds me of something out of Jumanji. So cool. Well, we're gonna finish laying in this last bag. Y'all have a good one.